Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Metamask using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to sign up for Metamask, the first thing to do is to make sure you've downloaded Metamask application on your iPhone. If not, go visit your app store and tap it on. In the search box, search for Metamask by typing it in with the help of the keypad, and once you find the application, give it a tap. Simply tap on the install button or the download button and make sure you download the application first. In my case, I've already downloaded the application. So, let me tap on the open button to launch the app open. The first interface of Metamask will look like this. Tap on Get Started at the bottom of the screen and you need to go ahead and set up your wallet. On the next page where it says Wallet Setup, if you already have an account for Metamask, you can tap on Import using secret recovery phrase that you've backed up on your wallet. If you don't have a wallet yet, tap on Create a New Wallet button at the bottom. Now, go through the information first and tap on I agree at the bottom right corner. On the next page, you can create a new password for your account. This password will help you unlock your Metamask wallet only in the particular device. Create a new password for your Metamask. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. Once you are done, you can double check your password by tapping on the little show link at the top of the password box. Confirm the password on the next field after you're done by typing it again. Now, tap on this box where it says, I understand that Metamask cannot recover this password for me, and tap on Create Password at the bottom. If you want to allow using Face ID for Metamask, then tap on OK from the pop-up. From this page, simply tap on the Start button at the bottom in order to save your secret recovery phrase. Remember that it is the only way to recover your wallet if you get logged out of the app or get a new device. Tap on Start in order to view the recovery phrases on the next page. If you don't want to do this now, you can tap on Remind Me Later at the top and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you tap on Start, on the next page, it says that you'll need to write down your recovery phrases on a piece of a paper and store it somewhere safe. If you don't do that, then you'll lose access to your wallet. So tap on the Start button and on the next page, reveal your secret recovery phrase by tapping on View. Remember that your secret recovery phrase must be kept secret. You should not let anyone see this. Tap on the View button to expose your secret recovery phrase. Once it is revealed, simply write down your secret recovery phrase in a piece of a paper and tap Continue. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and type down the secret recovery phrases into the correct order as it was presented to you. After you type it down in the correct order, tap on the Complete Backup button at the bottom and you have successfully backed up your wallet. Remember to keep your secret recovery phrases safe. If you ever lose access to your recovery phrase, you'll lose access to your wallet as well. Tap on the Done button and that is how you can easily sign up for a Metamask account. Metamask is a crypto wallet and it allows you to store and transact Ethereum or any other Ethereum-based tokens quick and easy with the help of the app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.